Trying to decide whether you should buy a cake or make a cake? You've come to the right place. I'm going to give you 3 factors that will help you make that decision. We're going to do something a little different and talk about the concept of the triple restraint. Now, if you're in an industry that has a component of project management, you may have heard of this concept. And you may be wondering, what in the world does project management have to do with me? Now, when you think about it, you manage your life and you manage a lot of different things on a day-to-day basis. So essentially, you are a project manager. The triple constraint concept can be visualized by a triangle where we examine time, cost, and quality. And in this triangle, you can only have benefits of 2 of these things and not all 3. Now, when we're talking cake, cupcakes, cake pops, first and foremost, we can never, ever sacrifice on quality. Quality of your cake is a given. It has to taste good. If you want to have a benefit in the cost area, you may consider making the cake yourself. Now, most likely it takes you less money to make the cake. With that, you have to make a sacrifice in terms of time. You have to actually put in the effort to bake, decorate, photograph, box up an entire cake for your celebration. And if you're confident in your skills and you know that you have the time, lean more toward making the cake yourself. In terms of saving time, you may want to consider hiring someone else to make the cake for you. And that is going to incur a cost. And most likely it's going to be more than you would spend actually making the cake yourself. That way you have the time to yourself to do other things, and that is a complete benefit. In any case, as I mentioned before, sacrificing the quality of your cake is not up for debate. You have to have a high quality cake. So now that you know that you either have a choice of time savings or cost savings, would you prefer to make a cake and save yourself some money, or would you buy a cake and save yourself the time? If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials around the world of cake decorating. As always, thanks for watching.